Okay, this is number 45 off of section 1.2. Oops, there we go, a little bit lower. Now, again, I'm going through these quick because I assume that you've already read them and tried them. So you should have some background when you're doing them here. 45 talks about 2 seconds after firing a rifle at a target, the shooter hears the impact of the bullet. They give you the speed of sound and the speed of the bullet. They want to determine the distance to the target to the nearest foot. Now, being as they give me time, okay, I've got different ways to write these equations. I can write a distance equation, I can write a rate equation, or a time equation. I rarely ever write a rate equation. Okay, as a matter of fact, I can only think of maybe once or twice I've actually tried doing it. Most of them are going to be distance and or time. So, being as they give me a total of 2 seconds, I'm going to take the time of the bullet plus the time of the sound. Well, they have to add up to 2 seconds. We know that distance equals rate times time, so time is equal to the distance over the rate. So this is going to be the distance of the bullet over the rate of the bullet plus the distance of the sound over the rate of the sound has to give me the total time. So time plus time equals time. Now, once I have that set up, plug in what we know, and it should work out pretty easily. The rate of the bullet is 1865. Okay. The rate of the sound, and I'm looking for it here, is 1100. What I don't know is the distance, but the nice thing about it is the distance has to be the same, because I shoot from here, hit the target, and the sound comes back. So therefore, if I let x equal the distance a bullet travels and the distance a sound travels have to be the same. Okay, so there's your equation. The time of the bullet plus the time of the sound has to equal the total time. Again, I'm going to pause this video here real quick. We'll solve it out, and I'll bring it back and let you see it. Okay, so I have that one solved out now. If we solve it out, we have our equation. I multiply the whole equation by the common denominator, which is 1865 times 1100. This whole thing comes through. The 1865s cancel off. I get 1100x plus 1865x equals 4,103,000. Combine like terms, divide out. I end up with a distance of 1,383.4 feet is the distance that the bullet traveled, or how far away I am from the target.